Hey friends, how's it going? Welcome to the live. If you're watching later, welcome. So glad to have you. My name's Debbie, Refresh Freestyle, and I wanted to hop on here and share a tray idea with you. We're gonna create a design on here, and then we're gonna decorate it. So, how's everybody doing? Hey Kathy, you're the first one I see on. It's so good to see you. I heard there was a Facebook update, and we all know what that means. Hey, Peggy. I hope y'all are having a great, what is today? Friday Eve. Hey, Paula. Anyway. And Christy. Everybody. Hey, Wanda. What are y'all doing today? Are y'all doing anything fun? And there's Beverly. Anyway, we are going to do, this tray is 11 by 17. It comes with handles. I love me a tray, don't y'all? I love decorating with a tray. Do y'all have trays all over your house? I don't have them all over the house. I have them in several places because you can do so many things with them. Let me send this out to the broadcast. I'm so glad Facebook did that broadcast thing. I've actually got two. I got one for the cutouts and then one for my alerts. Oh, thank you. Y'all, in fact, this says, bless your heart. You know, us Southerners say that sometimes. And I've always heard that it's kind of like a sarcastic comment, but then I've heard some people say no, it's a legit bless your heart. So what do y'all say? Southerners say it like, I don't know. Look, I love these handles. These are actually the same kind of design that I have in the kitchen, so this is perfect. So I thought I'm going to make sort of a versatile look. Y'all, I better not take these out yet. Actually, I guess I could go ahead and take them out. There's like one side. You really use either side. Hey. From another Yaya. I love it. That's what my grandkids call me. Sometimes I think Stella calls me and Barry both Yaya. Look, Dee Dee says it can mean both. Anyway, y'all, you know I love a design that has several designs. And the one we're using is called Hold Your Horses. These are kind of... Hey, Sue and Penny, these are kind of like sayings that I say. Like one's howdy, y'all. Well, I declare. Yes, ma'am. No, sir. Hold your horses. Fixin' to. Give me some sugar and bless your heart. Look, we say to Stella, give me some sugar all the time. And fixin' to. Anytime, you know, I'm about to do something, I say fixin' to. So I'm going to put howdy y'all on here. And this is going to be, we're going to decorate it for fall, but it's going to be for any time of the year. Hey. Thank you guys for sharing the love. You know, this is a large transfer, and I used bless your heart on my t-shirt with some white permanent ink. So you can use it. Like, we're going to use it on a tray, but you can use it on anything. I'm going to put it on one side. And I'm going to add some fall decor and some coffee cups. So you just put it on here. Make sure it doesn't have any bubbles. This is going to be super quick. But one thing I did not want y'all to miss out on, because I saw that somebody ordered one of these trays. Well, if you put two in your cart, then one of them's free. Did y'all hear me say that yesterday? We got some buy one, get one free surfaces. And this is one of them. I almost put a Christmas design on here, which we're going to get back into Christmas But I was like, no, I'm going to put something that I can use anytime. And then I may do a Christmas tray too. I'm using our black paste. It's thick. Have y'all noticed when you go to Dairy Queen now, if you get something in a cup, they hold it upside down to show how thick it is? And I was like, I'm going to do that with my paste. How many of you guys are new here today? And look, this is so easy. You just take your paste and squeegee across the design, and you can clean it off and reuse it. I'm always torn. We've got this beautiful club transfer, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to do the club. I'm going to do the club. Then I was like, no, I'm going to do a tray. And then I'm going to show y'all a couple of the other things that are buy one, get one free. But I was thinking this would be great to get a couple of them to make for Christmas gifts or birthday gifts or housewarming. Do y'all go to any of those kind of parties? We got a baby shower coming up, which I guess I could do a tray. Yes, buy one, get one free for everybody. All right, I'm going to lift this off. Somebody said, where did I get the shirt? Y'all, I got this shirt in the men's department at Walmart. Now, this says, howdy, y'all, in black. So, this will go for any time of the year. And you can do it any color. I'm just going to put this over here, clean it later. I put it at the bottom. I don't know if y'all saw, I have done a football on one of these. I've done several designs. Yeah, Donna said if your ink gets thick, can you add water? Yes, you can add distilled water. Just add a little bit at a time and stir it well. Hey, hey, hey. Thank you for sprinkling. And y'all, the key word today is tray. And when you get, like, when you type in a keyword, I send you a message and it has all the links. Awesome, Tammy. I love the oval too. Did y'all see that last night? This is another one of the surfaces, the oval. It's the big oval. It's buy one, get one. Now, I had that hung up there. Nice. But I was going to show y'all a couple of other things. There's like 17 items. They're buy one, get one for a few days. And listen, I didn't put this in I think this is called Gator Hide. We sell this too on the site. So you can click on the section that says accessories. I'm not going to put Gator Hide on here, but you could put it on here if you wanted to make it permanent. All right, let's get these handles in here. Sometimes I like start it from the bottom, like push the screw up from the bottom. And this is tight. There we go. Yes, the lesser value, you know, anytime you can do something, buy one, get one free, the lesser value is always the freebie. So you might, if you're going to get trays, you might get 2 trays. 2, 4, 6, whatever, you know. But put the freebie in the cart. I really need a flathead screwdriver. But, did y'all see the one that I made for football? I got the football on it. But this is a great size. And I'm going to fix it. I'm going to put it over by the coffee bar. I made a small round one that I've got a few things sitting on. Do you apply Gator Hide before? Gator Hide's a top coat. So it would be after. Oh, Lord. I have not used Gator Hide in the dishwasher. I only use it on wood pieces. I don't know that it's for glass. It's non-yellowing. Yeah, the tray's big. It's nice. Can hold a lot of stuff. You could even use one of these sayings and maybe put it in on your bathroom countertop or something. I know, I like corralling stuff. And like I said, you can use either side. I think I need to tighten this one a little bit. Yes, there we go. I always kind of get them started in both sides and then tighten it. What are y'all doing today? I need to be cleaning my house, but I think Jenny and I are going to take the kids to the fair tonight, maybe. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? All right. Let's decorate it for fall. I'm going to use some of our projects that we've already done. We have two sizes of these. Oh, gosh. What are they called? Oh, these are buy one, get one free also. And then if y'all watched our pumpkin day, Jenny and I made this. Actually, we might have done a video on this. Jolie is a shimmer cranberry color. Yes. In fact, let me show you. Jolie is our color of the month. And that's it. It is shimmer and gorgeous. If your order reaches $75, you can add it to your cart. Almost that right there. This is so pretty. This will be great for fall and winter and Christmas. And then Jenny made this little pumpkin, and I thought it would look super cute on here. And then I'm going to add, these are a couple of my, I have what I call like special coffee cups that I like to drink my cappuccino. And I think they're so cute. They're so trendy. So you can decorate your tray like this if you want to. These are our coasters. The white ones are buy one, get one free. And also, I don't think I shared this, but this board is also buy one, get one free. It has a stand. I love the stand. And you can use the black side or the white side. And it's a chalkboard. So you can clean it off and reuse it. So this is buy one, get one. Our stands are buy one, get one. Our trays, our coasters. All of these are super easy to create with. I do not want y'all to miss it. They will, the sale I think is over on the 7th, and then, or as things sell out, like if something sells out. But anyway, isn't this cute? And how do y'all's good all the time? Or you could put, give me some sugar, bless your heart, yes ma'am, no sir, hold your horses, fixing to, or will I declare, or something totally different. Oh, awesome. I'm so glad. I love it when I see y'all getting free stuff. But guys, check it out. Comment the word tray. I'm going to send you the links. One will say buy one, get one. All of that stuff. So, like if you want to get a tray, put 2 trays in your cart. One will be free. If you put this board in there, put 2. One will be free. If you mix it up, the least expensive one is going to be free. Also, I did my nails today. This color is called Your Golden, and it's like a chrome color. I put a link to my nails. Look, I've got older hands. My nails always need to be done. And I did them this morning, and I feel like this is so fun and fall. It's like a chrome color, and I just feel like all put together today. I've washed my hair, fixed my nails. Oh, the oval is sold out? Oh, well, see, it's while supplies last or the 7th. So hopefully you guys will get some stuff. But one of the, I think is a great value is the buy one tray, get one free. Because I love the tray. So comment tray. I'll send you all the links. Yes, they are iridescent. It's like chrome. It's chrome. You can probably see like a mirror. But have a great day and happy day before Friday if that's the day you're watching. I'll see you guys later. Thanks again.